Hi, good morning, my good peoples. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tony with Tony's Passive Income, your 9 to 5 kicker. This morning, we're going to do a quick video. The other day, I released a video. We're talking about this company, Watermine. All right, so the video was kind of long, so I just want to do a quick walkthrough. All right, so first of all, first and foremost, let me get this disclaimer out. I am not a financial guru. I am not a financial planner. I'm not a investment banker. I am just a guy who was shown a way to uh, take some money that I was able to risk, and I could afford to risk in dealing with the stock market and possibly lose. um, I was shown a system, and that system allowed me to compound. Well, some say compound. Most of it is shared interest. Uh, Take some money and draw interest off of it, and learn how to take and the interest that I'm drawing off of that money and make more money off of it. So this company is called Watermine. Real quick, I just want to walk you through this. It's a mining company for cryptocurrency. If you don't know what cryptocurrency is, um, I will be releasing some information on cryptocurrency to help you understand, because cryptocurrency is the wave of the future. A lot of things will be bought, paid, trade, all of that with cryptocurrency here in the near future. So you might want to go ahead and jump on board and learn what crypto is. A lot of people are following the wave of Dogecoin, and that's fine and dandy. But with everything, there is a risk, and so but I just wanted to get that out there before you go any further. People are saying that Watermine could be a scam. I haven't seen it to be a scam. I wanted to walk you through something real quick, and then I also started a journey, and my journey has taken off rather well. So we're gonna get into that this week too. So this is what we're talking about. So Watermine is a company based out of the UK. It's a mining company. What they do is you take and you invest in contracts, 3-month contracts with a minimum price in each four. So here's what the contracts look like. You really have four basic plans. Now here's where it gets tricky. People see this $10 and think, oh, $10 I can invest in that. Investing $10 is great, because if you're a skeptic, you can go through this, but this is what you're gonna make in 3 months. $10, $8 return on investment is pretty vague, but that is if you're a skeptic of the plan. Now, the minimum deposit is $10, so you can deposit $10 at minimum, okay? But you could also go up to $99.99. That's before you hit plan two. Now, plan one, you see these contracts, 3-month contracts, you're getting interest at 2.2 at 2% daily. You're getting interest at 2% daily. When you get to $100 minimum, as you can see, this $100 minimum. Okay, so you're getting 2.2% on this 3-month contract. Now, this is $100 minimum up to $999.99, right before you hit the third contract. Now, these two contracts down here is where you're starting to get into the money. All right, this is your I'm scared. I really want to try. I don't know how much to invest. I want to make sure it works. This is what this is. This is I'm gonna start getting my feet wet, learn how to do the payment plan, which is and it's not a payment plan. It's a rolling contract extraction plan. It's going to show you how to basically make your money back and then some. All right, so um, that's what this plan. This is the starter plan. This is the beginner got my diapers on plan. This is the I'm the starter. I'm going to get into this now. For those who have a little bit of money that they want to invest in and get this cracking. This is that plan where, hey, I'm in. I need to get to this bread. I want to get this money. This is what this plan is. All right. So again, the minimum you can deposit is $1,000 all the way up to $1,999 and 99 cents. Oh, I'm sorry. That's $2,499.99. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I misspoke from her to her. because once you get to the $2,500 contract, you earning 2.6% daily. So this one you're earning 2.4% daily. So daily means with $1,000 you're getting $24 a day, $168 a week, $720 a month, and by the end of 3 months, it's $2,160. Now, that's just the minimum because there are two different ways. There are more ways. I misspoke. There are more ways that you can get uh, to this goal and set goals. Now, I'm doing you a short walkthrough. All right. So basically, whatever plan you choose is what you do. You're going to click on deposit, but first you have to join. So when you sign up, it's three quick steps. You sign up. If somebody gave you a referral code, you sign up. So you register. This is how I do it. It's only going to take a minute. You register. You give them your information. All right. And then once you're ready to invest, you take and you connect, you connect, and we're gonna walk through that too. You connect your you send money, Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, all of these coins, Ethereum, these are the coins that you can use on her. You don't send no money. Your money goes into your crypto wallet, and we've talked about that before, but we could always go back. If you have any questions, man, just hit me down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. If I can't get the answer, if I don't have the answer, I can always reach out to my mentor, and he'll give me the answer. Then I'll reply back to you. See, the thing of it is I took a chance and went and found somebody to show me how to do this. Now I want to show other people how to get the money, get to the money, get to the bag, get to the guap. It doesn't make a difference what we get into. We just trying to get to the money. You understand what I'm saying? So, and I was one who was skeptic too because I'm just one who does research. Like I said, the company is based. This is where you find out about the company. So if you're doing your due diligence, the company is based. It's based in London, the UK. All right, but again, you register here. You register by signing up here. All right, you sign up, follow all the instructions on how to sign up. Now, once you sign up, it takes 7 days for your money to get in your crypto wallet. So it gives you enough time to really study and ask questions and go through the due diligence process. But once that money hits your wallet, now it's time to start investing and getting that shared money. So the mining process begins. You can receive your money daily. But we, in the group that I'm in, we have learned how to do rolling contracts. And those rolling contracts show you how to make that money, get to that money a lot faster than what a lot of people can contend with. Now, that's the main way to make money. The second way to make money, and this is not, so understand this is not a necessity. This is not a necessity. But the second way to make money is if you talk to somebody about it. Hey, man, look, show them. Don't talk to them. Show them the results. All right, so just like with me, I'm going to show you my results because my results have been great over the last 2 days. I'm going to show you the results, okay? So if I said, hey, man, I'm into this thing, like a lot of people got into Dogecoin and they got into these groups. And when they got into these groups in Dogecoin, they started boosting it up until Elon Musk went online and said that it was a hustle and Dogecoin fell after Saturday Night Live's whatchamacallit. If you think I'm lying, go watch it. Now, I don't watch Saturday Night Live, but when Elon was talking about Dogecoin, I started following, just like when Mark Cuban and Ellen DeGeneres was talking about Dogecoin. I started following it. And so if I sit there and when I sign up, when you sign up, let me show you something. When you sign up, and I got to get ready to get up out of here, but when you sign up, you enter your name, email, address, all of that. Now, this is something new with this this code down here, because this code allows it gives you an extra line of security. Now, you can look at this code all day long and think you're gonna hack this. This code changes every time you log in, so it doesn't matter. But real quick, so this is just after 2 days, and I'm gonna explain that to you in a later video today. But all I do is basically say, hey, look here. If you want to join the new journey, the new team, here's my link. So you'll get a link automatically once you get on her. You'll get a link automatically. Once you get that link, you don't have to post the link everywhere. You can talk to people and be like, hey, look, this is the opportunity that I'm in. So what I'm doing is I'm rolling contracts in mining, crypto mining, and we're gaining interest at daily. So basically, what you're doing is you're just talking about it, and they're like, oh, okay, well, how do you get about it? Then you give them your link. Don't just go spam. Hey man, join this group. This is not a pyramid scheme. This is not mandatory. If you're trying to gain another level of income, this is what you can do. So you have the 8% on the first commission. So say like if I talk to let's say for instance Jay-Z. Jay-Z decide he gonna join whatever the Jay-Z contract he chooses or whatever money he decides he put in, I get 8% of that. But if Jay-Z turn around and go and talk to somebody else, not only does he get the 8%, but then I get the 6%, and that's how it flows down. But that's neither here nor there. The most important part about this whole concept is this: getting into these contracts and gaining this interest each day. All right. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about this morning. This afternoon, I'm going to come back and I'm going to hit you with how to make a deposit once you get in here. And then the third part is I want to show you how to do the rolling contracts as well as preparing yourself to withdraw money. All right. We're not withdrawing money right now, but we're going to explain. I think the most important part is explaining the rolling contract so people can understand. So I think I'll dive into that today too as well. All right, so that's it for me, man. You know what to do. If you want to, subscribe to the channel, learn how to get into cryptocurrency, learn how to get into the stock market. We're going to talk about all of that on my passive income channel. Learn how to basically take your 9 to 5 and use that and make yourself an extra income so you can be satisfied. Instead of waiting on a stimulus check, create your own stimulus check. All right, man. It's your boy Tony Porter with passive income. Tony's passive income, the 9 to 5 kicker, man. We out of here.